How to connect Google Analytics to your Wix website. So we want to scroll down from the main page of Wix until we see marketing and SEO. So we just want to click on this drop down menu, and here we will search for marketing integrations. So just click on marketing integrations and you will be able to see Google Analytics in the first spot. So if we want to connect Google Analytics to our Wix website, all we have to do is click on this connect button here. It will tell us, or it will take us through the process of connecting. So we have to set up a Google Analytics property ID. Google has some instructions which you can use by clicking on this hyperlink. It will tell us how we can set this up, and then it will ask us to add our Google Analytics ID here. But for this, we will actually need the premium version of Wix, and here we can also see some important information that it might take some time before we see analytics in our Google Analytics account, and we have to comply with we have to comply with the guidelines. So that's where you find the option to connect to your Google Analytics account. If you already have an account and you have the premium version of Wix, you can connect it right here where I just showed you. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.